All right, so for question number 3, it says Mike needs to read 10 pages every day. Mike read 1 and 1/6 during lunchtime. During pride time, he reads 2 and 1/3. How many pages does he still need to read? So he has to read. So we're going to go ahead and do our analyze part. So if you remember, our analyze part is to text code. So we're going to go ahead and text code. That's a no, sorry. Text code. So he needs to read 10 pages every day. He already read 1 and 1/6 pages. And then he read 2 and 1/3. And we need to know how many pages does he still need to read. So this actually is a multi-step problem, right? So if we want to know how many pages he still needs to read, what operation does that tell you to do? You're right, that tells you to subtract. Okay, so my plan is going to be to subtract at some point, right? So I know that I have to subtract because that's what that tells me to do. All right. Then what do I need to do before I subtract? Okay. So if he read 1 and 1/6 pages during lunchtime and 2 and 1/3 during pride time, what do I have to do with those two numbers? That's right. I have to add these two numbers. So he needs to add. So am I going to subtract first or am I going to add first? That's right. So first you're going to add. Then once you add, you're going to subtract. Okay? So you're going to add 1 and 1/6 plus 2 and 1/3. Okay? And whatever you get here, you're going to subtract from the 10. Okay? So it would be 10 minus whatever you got in your box. And that would give you your answer. Okay? So maybe I should have wrote this in the evaluate part. Sorry, guys. So first step is going to be add. So we said we're going to add 1 and 1/6. Whoops. Plus 2 and 1/3. Whatever we get there, we're going to take that and subtract that from 10. Okay? And then that gives you your answer. Okay? Remember, you do have to find common denominators before you add. Okay? So let me put it in a different color. So first you're gonna, so remember to find a common denominator before adding. Okay? All right, so go ahead and finish solving that one on your own. And then go on to the next one.